Good morning, everyone. Clouds are lingering along the eastern coastal face lines of Massachusetts and eastern New England because of low pressure that brought us all that rain yesterday, and it is bringing still heavy snows to western and northern Maine, where they're measuring snowfall in the measurements of feet up there, 1 to 2, even 3 feet of snow in the higher elevations. Lower elevations measuring about a good foot to a foot and a half of snow. It's going to continue to snow out up there, 6 to 12 more inches of snow out there. But you can see clouds are still lingering along eastern sections of Massachusetts, and even some snow showers and rain showers. A band moving through southern New England at this time this morning, and as we take a closer look at Doppler radar, it does show pick up a few showers and snow showers moving through, so expect a few raindrops on your windshield this morning as you head out to work. I expect eastern Massachusetts to remain locked in the clouds today, and then as you continue out west, that's where you'll see more and more sunshine gradually increasing throughout the day. So clouds hang tough east, sunny out west, sun with increasing PM clouds on Thursday as our next storm system with a lot of heavy rain and wind is likely on Friday. A good 1 inch or more of rain is likely in most areas of southern New England between the hours of about 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. on Friday as of right now. Today's weather map shows high pressure is bringing in northwesterly winds, and that's what's creating the difference between low pressure and high pressure, is creating a lot of strong northwesterly winds today. They will be gusting between 10 and 30 miles an hour, and strongest along the coast, keeping us cool. Temperatures in the lower 40s. Heavy snow in northern Maine and in central Maine, with some rain along the coastal face line of Maine as well. Taking a look at our weather map for Friday, it does show, again, a big dip in the eastern half of the United States with a big trough developing with strong low pressure system moving through the Great Lakes, giving blizzard conditions through the Midwest and the Plain States, going through the Great Lakes and up into Canada. But for us, we're going to be on the warmer side, temperatures reaching near 50 degrees on Friday. Winds will be very strong, gusting 20 to 40 miles an hour. Some possible light damage could be likely along the coastal plains of the south coast, Cape Cod and the islands, and even east-facing coastlines of Massachusetts, as winds are gusting above 40 miles an hour, 20 miles an hour gusting inland. Heavy rain again on Friday, ends Friday night, and then colder air sweeps in behind the system, so that some areas may end as a little bit of snow on the back end of the storm on Friday night. But definitely on Saturday, as the low continues to spin in the Gulf of Maine, we're going to continue to see strong, windy, and colder conditions moving in on Saturday with mostly cloudy skies, and I can't rule out a possible snow shower moving through anywhere from western Mass all the way through the central Worcester Hills and even eastern Massachusetts on Saturday. And then as that low departs on Sunday, we'll start to see a little bit more sunshine developing. Taking a longer look at Christmas Eve, if you are traveling for the holiday, looks like pretty much most of the country is going to start to be getting colder next week. Arctic outbreak coming up later on next week and into the start of the new year. But if you are traveling Christmas Eve, expect some showers down on the Gulf Coast over Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee. Cold conditions for us, but dry. Up in Maine, there may be a few snow showers left over. But out west, if you're going out west to California, there may be some turbulence as you go through the mountain west area with some snow, as this is the storm system we're going to be watching coming towards our region possibly by next Wednesday. But right now for Christmas Day, we continue to be cold in much of the country again, and the storm system developing over Texas. This storm looks like it's going to run again through the Great Lakes, and it looks like a possible rainstorm for us on Wednesday about next week right after Christmas. Let's take a look at your daily planner for today. It's going to be windy all day with temperatures rising into the 40s. 40 to 45 along the coast, northwest winds at 10 to 30 miles per hour. Tonight we're going to see mostly cloudy skies in the eastern half, gradually clearing overnight with temperatures in the lower 30s. Now for tomorrow, it's still a tricky forecast as far as how much sunshine we're going to see. I'm trying to be optimistic. I'm going mostly sunny out west, and we're still going to see a mixture of clouds and sunshine out in the eastern sections, with those coastal clouds still hanging around, though we will see mostly cloudy skies increasing later on in the evening ahead of that next storm system in all areas, with temperatures in the lower 40s. The 5-day forecast shows the heavy rain very likely on Friday morning from about 7 a.m. on the morning commute. So it looks like a bad morning commute on Friday, and then heavy rain all the way through Friday evening, ending about 7, 8 o'clock at night. Again, some areas may end as a little snow. But then on Saturday, as some of the colder air wraps around from that storm system, it looks like we could be seeing a few rain or snow showers, not accumulating too much. On Saturday as temperatures cool down into near 40, and then it gets even colder on Sunday with temperatures in the lower 30s. That's the latest from the BoricaWeather.com weather update. I'm Dave Bruce.